Tnad Pulit jong Khubor Meghalaya ha kini ki khindiat sngi kan sapen benaya ke jing thep kam Pulit ha Khubor kani ke jing thep kam Pulit kan dei na ka benta lai hajar shispa Tylli ki pos ki balat ha ki kerdan bapher na kaliang UIG uba Francis Shillong haba pentip halor kani ke jing penbena thep kam thamai ka Tnad ulong ba ka Tnad kan sapen benaya kumba lai hajar shispa Tylli ki kam ki balat ha kaba ki UB sub inspector ki don nyopun rew Tylli ki UB constable shihajar arspa sanpusan Tylli kaba kentup langru ye ki nongnya kali mekanik bat kiwe Haka AB Constable kalong kumba shihajar nriu spa lai punyau Tylli kaba kentup naduk ki AB Constable ki MPRO bat kiwe. Ulai thu ban pensuk ye ki Samla watkam ke sorkar kalabo ye Tylli ki senta kata kamau yong ke second MLP Gora Gre kaba Peit ye ki benta ke West Garo Hills ke Sabesen kaban Peit ye ki benta ke Janta Hills ke Sokpian kaban Peit ye ki benta ke West Khasi Hills bat ha William Nagar kaban Peit ye ki benta ke East bat South Garo Hills. Nakaliang UDGP Dr. Bishnoi habakren halor ke tungkam tungjam ulai thu bakani ke dekesin ke beningkong baka jala kan yok pelat ban thep kam haduk lai hajar shispa ngut. Ha ka ulai thu babarok ki tes kin sele harangkat ke jingbu ik CCTV nang takin bu ru yok chips ha ka ban yakun ye kani ke kam. Bat ha ka bakut jong kasngi haman lau candidate ubawan ban yakun ye kani ke kam kin sa aida ka mark sheet bat kin tip kat nu ki yok bat kin la ban ken la ki long ki babit ne
It's been a very long time we have prepared. We worked hard for this, and finally, I think it should culminate in a day or two. That we should be advertising for around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors is 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, driver, fireman, mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators of the battalion. And there are also another group, which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies. We have around 1,637. This will include AB constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total post is in around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better manner. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion in Moyong, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Gora, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center at the 3rd Battalion, which is Sabsen, which will cater to the people of Janta Hills. And we have another center at the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khasi Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in William Nagar, which will cater to both East and South Garo Hills.